Right, so we're going to dive into the actual app and we're going to talk about the tabs. I wanted to explain the other bit first just because, it makes sense that pricing and options and wanting to give you a bit of overview. So when you're in Zoho Recruit, I'm just going to talk across the tabs at the top of the page and then we'll go into on each individual tab and show you in depth. So the home page is really your hub. I've got no real data in this demo account at the minute. But it will obviously show you whatever you want. You can customize this view. You can edit it and change it to tasks to do today, interviews, meetings that are coming up, anything that's happened. It's the activity log between the company. You'll be able to see when somebody else does something. You'll be able to see information, or Sarah Sales has done an interview, or someone's put a note on a candidate, or somebody's. It's activity, sort of pull activity, right? So across the top here, I would turn my email off, but I'm going to use it in a minute as I demo stuff. Job openings. This is obvious. This is where you're going to post a job listing. You're going to post any available jobs, whether it's per department or you're doing it for another company. You would set the companies up and obviously post a job, right? Job listings. You're going to be able to filter them to open, closed, inactive, how many people have applied. All the filters are down here. And anything in Zoho, any of the Zoho apps you'll see, there's customization where you can edit everything to whatever suits your business, to whatever you want. And I'll come back and I'll go more in depth next in with job openings. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Candidates, obviously a list of candidates of people that have applied for jobs, or that you can actually pull interested people from. I pulled this one from Indeed. If you've got accounts, and I'm sure if you're recruiting companies, you've got accounts with Monster and Indeed, you can pull information on recruits that are of interest and assign them to certain job openings, and then follow up. Interviews, tracking an interview, obviously writing notes on it. The job openings also have candidate surveys and pre-survey forms. I'm not sure I'm not a recruitment expert, but you know what I mean. If you've got you can put a questionnaire on the application page, and it shows you exactly what they've said. Departments. This is where you've got different departments, different jobs within those departments. So you can set your departments up, or you set the companies up that you work with. Campaigns is if you've say you run I always used to say Yellow Pages, but nobody uses Yellow Pages anymore. If you run a Facebook ad on trying to recruit for this certain job, you can put in this is the advert that's running, and here's the interview here's the interviewees that have been created from that advert. So did the advert get 25, 50, 75 applications or something like that, right? So when you run campaigns, you can see where your marketing is working or not. Reports, self-explanatory. Reports on everything that you work on, and then you can customize everything in Zoho. You can change dashboards, change how you want it to look, make it suitable for your business. And then I'll just run through your to-do list, planned candidates, emails. You can sync it to your emails, and then documents, so you can save documents and things, right? But with enterprise level, you're literally going to be able to add whatever you want. You're going to be able to go in and create a new module. If you use something totally different, if you use different terminology, you can change campaigns. You can rename it. Don't call campaigns that. Call it, I don't know, Facebook ads. Zoho is fully customizable, and you can change it to your needs. So we'll talk about that later.